So today I am going to be decorating the Christmas tree right behind me, and it's about 6 feet tall. For this Christmas tree, I decided to go for a different color scheme. I decided I am going to use a little bit of red and like this beautiful I don't know what color is this, but it's a very beautiful color and I really like it. So yeah, I got this from Walmart. So as this one, and they're like less than 10 bucks. And this one is going to be like a rustic touch on the Christmas tree. I already fluffed the tree, and now I am going to be adding the Christmas lights. And I have quite a few lights here, and I don't know which one I'm going to use. So I strung 3 ornaments together to make a big ornament. So I really like the contrast. So we are going to start filling up the big spaces first. Video. If you would like to see more, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Also hit the notifications so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you next time. Bye.